Setting up Facebook pixels on your website to track conversions is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through it. Begin by logging into your Facebook account and heading to the Events Manager section. Click on the Connect Data Sources button and choose Web as your source. Opt for the Facebook Pixel option and proceed to connect it. Give your pixel a name and input your website URL. After that, click Continue. You'll receive a pixel code snippet. Copy this entire code snippet provided. Now paste the copied pixel code into the header section of your website's HTML code just before closing the header tag. This ensures that the pixel loads on every page of your website. To verify that the pixel is installed correctly, you can use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension. This tool will help you check if the pixel is firing correctly on your website. In the Facebook Events Manager, navigate to the Pixel section and click on the Aggregated Event Measurement tab. Next, set up custom conversions for specific actions you want to track on your website, such as purchases, signups, or page views. Configure each custom conversion by defining the event parameters, such as the URL or specific page elements associated with the conversion action. Perform the actions on your website that you've set up for conversion tracking, like making a purchase or completing a form submission. After completing each action, return to Facebook Events Manager and check the event status to ensure that the pixel is tracking the events correctly. Once your pixel is installed and conversions are being tracked regularly, review the data in Facebook Ads Manager to monitor performance and identify areas for optimization. Utilize the conversion data to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns, such as targeting high-converting audiences and adjusting bidding strategies. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated for my next video.